how to change Duolingo app language to English. First of all, simply open your Duolingo application, and then from here you can see the country flag of the language that you are currently learning. On the top left here you can see currently it is Japanese, so tap on this flag. And after doing that, if you swipe to left, here you can see the another course button. All you have to do is tap on this button. And then from here, you can see all of the languages that you can learn. And currently here you can see my language is currently Korean. So I'm going to scroll down until we get to this part where it says for English language. So this particular text says for English speaker. So I'm going to tap on this one. And here you can see now the language has changed to English. So again, now you can select the particular language that you want to learn. I'm going to go with Japanese, tap on it, and then tap on OK. And then tap on OK one more time. And just like this here, you can see we are back to the English language. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.